Welcome back to Life and Fork. It's fall season, so I want to create a dish that's kind of like home cooking. So I'm going to show you how to make chicken parmesan very easy at your own house.
Suck me in smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
Alright, so I kind of cheated already. I already have my chicken breast split down the middle and pounded. First thing we're going to do is season it with a little kosher salt on both sides. Just like that. A little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. Next, we're going to take some just flour. Shake, shake, shake. You don't want a lot of excess. Set that aside. Next, you're going to drench it in egg. The trick here, so you don't get so messy, is to only use one hand in the egg and one hand in the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs have a little Parmesan cheese, they're panko, and a little parsley. And you're going to set that aside right here. Next, you're going to take your pan, put it on the stove, add a little pan spray so it doesn't stick. A little olive oil. Take your nicely breaded chicken, put it down. You're going to saute it for 2 minutes on each side. It's been 2 minutes, now we flip. Same thing, 2 minutes on this side. It's been 2 minutes. Now we're going to put some marinara right on top. I chose to go on the smaller side because we're going to make it into a tower. I added a little fresh mozzarella on top. You can use any kind you want. I like fresh just for the color. Now I'm going to add more marinara on top. This is homemade marinara. You can also buy canned if you want, if you don't want to make the recipe. And then finish it off with 2 slices of fresh mozzarella on top of that. It looks beautiful. Now we're going to throw it into an oven. The oven's already been set at 400 degrees. This goes in for 6 minutes. All right, chicken is done. To plate it, I'm going to put a little marinara on the bottom. It's been warmed up just a little bit. Take my chicken, nice and crispy, see? Sometimes one of the pieces of cheese like to fall off, so you just gotta grab your spatula, put it back. To garnish it, I'm gonna take a little baby arugula. So you see how easy it is to make your own chicken parmesan at home. You can also modify this recipe in any single way. I made homemade marinara for this dish. I didn't show the recipe for homemade marinara, but you can use it any way you want. You can buy just canned marinara, or you can even do like a pesto. As always, love you guys. A new video drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you guys next week. Take care.